Yeah, well, welcome to Respect the Checker. This is Bandits in the Blizzard. That actually makes sense. Yeah, this is Bandits in the Blizzard. Nigga, right now. Bandits in the fucking what? Bandits in the Blizzard, nigga. Bandits in the Blizzard, nigga. You don't dig me, then you crazy. Government assistance, look at this nigga. You cold, you out there delivering food, and you stuck out there in the snow, ain't you? Look at you, you poor motherfucker. I feel so bad for you. Not really. Oh, they didn't put words there, my bad.
Supposed to be going fucking down out here. Ain't no soldiers out here for war. Yeah. What I was told, man, what's up? Oh, you running and shit, man, what's up? About that life. Yeah, I'm out here strapped up. Fuck you talking about? Keep my hammer out on me. Y'all see what the fuck going on out here? It's real out here. Any given time, nigga, run up with a snowball and shit, dude.
Y'all don't even know what I'm finna do, but fuck y'all. I'm gonna bring it back for y'all.
Oh my God, I love it. Hold it down. You better have your gun out here. What the fuck are you talking about? Always get caught slipping, never got the gun, man. See, it's a blizzard, it's 24 inches of snow. Man, you better grab your gun, boy. Niggas and snowballs all out here, boy. This shit is dead serious, my nigga. You don't understand. Like,
wait, she ain't start here. She ain't start here. I gotta wait. You can walk 1,000 times. I still would wanna smoke.
Man, niggas don't understand. Who this nigga right here, yo? Nah, he ain't got no gun, though. He ain't got no gun. Alright. See, this is what I be talking about. You in bed style. Look, he creeping. He creeping. Who this? I got the gun, though. Oh, alright. Oh, you see?
Loud 20s and 50s. So
no, man. Niggas ride through with passing the whip, hit you with the snowball, all that. Niggas do snowball vibes, and it's crazy out here, man. See, look, they must have been snowing down there. It's crazy. It's crazy. Niggas just be shooting everywhere out here, like. Hit somebody before I go in the house.
You got a good weed, man. No
weed to
I'm lost. No.
Huh?
That nigga got a good weed, man.
That was the weed, man? That was the weed, man?